Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you guys how to get Mario Kart Tour early on your iOS or Android device. Guys, this is pretty awesome. This game is currently unreleased right now, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how you can get this game before it even comes out. You can show your friends that you got it first. It's so awesome, guys. You don't need to jailbreak your device. You don't need to buy anything. This is completely free. You don't even need to connect your phone to the computer. That's how easy this is. So just follow along with me, guys. Alright? So if you guys are on iOS, make sure you use Safari to do this. If you're on Android, you can use any browser, okay? So just open up Safari, okay, and go to the website appfam.net, okay? There it is, guys. Oh, whoops. Here, I'm just going to type that in for you guys. appfam.net, okay? So just go to this website, appfam.net, okay, and just click the go button. Okay, so once you're over there, it's going to take you to this page, okay? And as you can see, there is the Mario Kart icon. I believe they need to update that. It must be from the beta still. So just click install under this Mario Kart, and basically it's going to take you to the to this page, okay? And so as it says, to get started, we first need to inject the content into this app. It's a simple process, and you'll have to do this once to get access to Mario Kart Tour for life, okay? So basically what you have to do is you just click the Get Started button. Once you click the Get Started button, it's going to take you to the Content Injection webpage. And on the Content Injection webpage, basically what you're going to have to do is it's going to instruct you to install and open 2 apps for about 60 seconds each, okay? So basically, just what happens is when you install these apps and you open them, it basically begins transferring the files from Mario Kart Tour over to your phone. So that's why you have to leave them open for about 60 seconds each. Basically, the reason why they did this is it's just much easier to hide the files within just normal regular apps. It's pretty awesome. So basically, once you complete the injection, the Mario Kart Tour will begin installing on your home screen, and that should happen within 30 minutes. So guys, if it doesn't begin installing within 30 minutes, you might have done something wrong, so I recommend going back to the web page and doing the injection over again. Install more apps and leave them open longer. Another thing I want to mention to you guys is that each app has its own, might have its own individual instructions, so make sure you pay attention to each app's individual instructions. Make sure you do basically, like, some apps will say like install and open and play up to like level 4. Some apps will say install and open for 30 seconds. Some will say like install and play, like install and sign up or something like that. So basically the only difference between those is that the files begin transferring after you do exactly what the what the instructions ask you to do. It's just a sneakier way of for the developers to hide the files and get past Apple's radar. So yeah, guys, just make sure you follow each app's individual instructions if you have any troubles. Guys, if you have any troubles, please like the video and comment below, and I will do my best to help you. But like I said, guys, just to wrap this up, go to appfam.net. Once you're over at appfam.net, click install on the Mario Kart, then you click the Get Started button, do the content injection. It's very easy. Just follow each app's individual instructions and you should be fine. Like I said, if it doesn't appear within 30 minutes on your home screen, then you might have done something wrong, and I recommend you do the content injection over again. And yeah, just make sure you install more apps, leave them open longer, and follow each app's individual instructions, okay? And if you listen to everything I said and you follow everything I said, there's no reason why you won't get Mario Kart Tour on your iOS or Android device. This APK is awesome, guys. You're going to have plenty of fun playing it. So thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.